Robert James. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, find you a woman who will sift through poo to gather earthworms.
We can't cook the earthworms. I mean, once you've had kids, this is nothing.
Heard that.
I've saved you from the fire. Come to me. Would you like to see my worms? Come here. Would you babies? Little babies.
And you're gonna feed these to the chickens?
No.
Are you putting them in the worm farm?
I don't know.
I was reading, or no, I saw a video that said that they reproduce. They've doubled their population every 6 months, I think it was. Shit, it might have even been every month. I don't know.
Look, all saved from the pits of hell.
You're the best. Damn.
Look at them. Look at them babies. Listen to them. Listen to them, Harry.
What are they saying?
Listen.
Yeah.
That's a good boy. You leave it. You think they'll find their way?
Yes.
Hey, you guys. Boop. Come on. Oh my God.
It's trying to escape.
Ooh, easy.
That little one is.